7 Arithmetic exercise 13B. Question number 1. If A can do a work in 10 days, then A's one day work will be 1 by 10. Same thing, if B can do the same work in 15 days, so in one day B can work 1 by 15. If they work together, A plus B, that means we have to add it, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. If you take LCM, you will get 30. 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30. 3 plus 2 5, 30 is here, 1 by 6. So, therefore, time taken equals to 1 divided by 1 by 6. We have to reciprocal this number, which means that 6 1s are 6 and 6 days is your answer. Same way, question number 2. A man can do a work in 5 days. So man's one day work will be 1 by 5. The man and the son can do a work in 3 days. That means together if they work for 1 day, they can do 1 by 3 of the work. Let us suppose that son's one day work is 1 by x. So according to the question, we can find out 1 by 5 plus 1 by x is equals to 1 by 3. Man's work, son's work and total work. This goes that side, becomes as minus, and 5 and 3 we have to take LCM. 15, that means we got 2 by 15. If you cross multiply with this x, 2 into x, 2x, 15 1s are 15. This 2 divides here, which means that x is equals to 15 by 2, which means 7 1 by 2 days. Same way here, question number 3. A can do a work in 16 days, B can do in 12 days. Suppose that C can do it in x days. So 1 day for each one we have to take it out. 1 by 16, 1 by 12, 1 by x. If they work together for 6 days, then ABC's one day is 1 by 6.Ame way here, ABC and ABC. This 2 is plus here. When it goes to the other side, becomes as minus. First of all, take LCM of those numbers and then find it out. Value for x, you will get it as 1 by 48. If you cross multiply, that means x is 48 days. Question number 4. Let B take x days to complete a work. Then A will take 50% more. That means x plus 50% of x. We can cut with 50. Take LCM. 2x plus x, that means 3x by 2. Now, if you take 1 day work for A, that will be 2 by 3x, and B's 1 day work is 1 by x. Together they can do it in 18 days. So 1 day work for together, 1 by 18. Now according to the question, 1 by 3x plus 1 by x is equals to 1 by 18. Take LCM of these two, we will get 3x. 2 remain as it is, x 3 times, so 3 1s are 3. If you add this, that should be equal to 1 by 18. If you add, then 5 by 5 by 3x is equals to 1 by 18. We have to cross multiply here and we have to find a value of x, that means 30 days, and 30 days is our answer. Same way here, question number 5. If A takes x days to complete the work and B takes 2x days, because it is twice of it, to complete the same work, so for 1 day we have to reciprocal those numbers. And as it is given that A plus B takes 12 days to complete the same work, for 1 day we have to reciprocal it. This is A, this is B, and this is together A plus B. Same way we have to take LCM and we have to solve it, cross multiply, and the value will get our value. But here actually we have to find out the value for B, that was twice x. If this is 18, then this should be 36, twice of it. Since the wages distribution will follow the work distribution ratio, we have the work done A in 1 day is 1 by 10 and B 1 by 15. If they work together, A plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 will get 1 by 6. A plus B takes 6 days to complete the work. So what is the A shares? A was 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 divided by 1 by 6. If you cross multiply this, you will get 3 by 5. So A wage, this was the share of work, and here wages, that means the amount. So 3 by 5 into total amount is 30,000. If you divide this, you will get 6,000 and 600 and 6 is 1800 is your answer. Number 7. The number of days taken for working in a reciprocal of the rate of the work done. This is the formula for here. That is, the number of the days taken that should be reciprocal of the work done. It was 3 by 4. If you divide this and if you multiply, it becomes reciprocal 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 4 ratio 3. That means C is the correct answer. A plus B 12 days, B plus C 20 days, C plus A 15 days. So work done for each of them 1 by 12, 1 by 50, 1 by 20 and 1 by 15. Net work, that means the total work. If we find, we will get 2A, 2B, 2C. So 2 I have taken out common. First of all, I have taken LCM here and I got my answer as 1 by 5. This 2 was multiplying here. Other side we have to divide it, which becomes 1 by 10. So easily we can write that A plus B can together complete the work in 10 days. Here 3 men can complete the work in 12 days. Thus 1 man complete the work in 36 days. The rate of the work done by 1 man is 1 by 36. Similarly, the rate of the work done by 1 woman in 1 day is 1 by 5 into 12, that is 1 by 60. Actually, we have to find out the work done for 6 men. To multiply by 6, that is 1 by 5, and for 5 women. So 1 by 60 into 5, that means we got 1 by 12. In case if they work together, man and woman, for 1 day, so 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12, first of all take the LCM of it, we will get it 12. So 2 plus 1, 3 by 12, that is 1 by 4. That means our answer is 4 days. Same way here, question number 10. Work done by A in 1 day is 1 by 15. B is 50% more efficient than A. If this is 100, then this is 150. By 100, A is 1 by 15. If you solve this, you will get 1 by 10. Thus, we can say that B can complete the work in 10 days.